Hey, just Sam Brown here from SensatioNail. Today we're going to go through two different looks which are super easy for beginners. First of all, a marble look, and the second look will be a fade look with a ombre effect. As always, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and of course the bell notification button. Ching! As always, make sure you prepare your nails nicely and you get the desired shape. If you need a guide on that, make sure to check out our previous videos. Just go ahead and give yourself a gel base coat and cure that. After that, you want to give yourself a first coat of white lily and then cure it. As always, you do a second coat, but this time we're going to leave it wet. So the next step is really important. Take a dab of Midnight Rendezvous and a base coat onto a plastic or foil sheet, whatever you prefer, and then using a small, precise stroke motion little brush to create a marble look. Once that is created, as you will see in the video, you then cure it. Then we go in with a second layer just to intensify all the colours, whether it's the black or the greys, and give that smoky, cool marble look. After that, you want to go ahead and cure that. And then for my favourite bit, use your rose gold glitter in the same exact way just to get that nail popping. And then always don't forget to cure your top coat and then cleansing. As we discussed earlier, we are moving on to our second look, the ombre effect. Keep watching to see how to create this look. As always, prepare your nail and give yourself the desired shape. After that, you want to go ahead and get your gel base and top coat on and cure that. Now the interesting part, you want to pick your two colours. We're using Sun-Kissed and Pink Bouquet. You want to go ahead and use one colour on the top of your nail and the other colour on the other half of your nail. Then you want to use a tiny little brush just to precisely blend out the edges very softly, as you will see in the video. Once that is done with your first layer, go ahead and cure that, and you want to repeat that step another time, and don't forget, cure it once again. Once you see that the colour is effective and it is bold enough, you can go ahead and take your top coat and give yourself a lovely top coat and cure that. And finally but not least, don't forget to cleanse them. So just a few tips for aftercare. Make sure not to submerge your hands into water for 24 hours. And as always, don't forget, they're not tools. They're beautiful nails and they're jewels. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know down below. And if you recreate this look or anything like this, make sure to tag us in your posts. And I'll hope to see you next time. See ya!